coming up, leave it to the Swiss. Now we got a bunch of police organizations are steamed at the Swiss company that has come up with a breath mint that they sell at convenience stores and places like that. This is it right here. It's called the Anti-Police.
Maybe that's why they're mad.
Maybe that's why they're mad. And here's what it does. If you've got booze on your breath, it hides the smell of booze.
Yeah, and apparently you can buy this pretty easily over the internet, and some police forces now want to crack down to make that not possible because they said, you know, too many people are going to use this and we're not going to be able to get them for DUIs or DWIs, depending on what state you live in.
Well, anyway, here's the prez of Anti-Police.
This is not for people who want to get wasted and get behind the wheel. This is not for alcoholics. This is for people for everyday people like me and you who want to go, after a hard day's work, they want to go to a bar and have a few drinks, clear their thoughts.
Well, apparently it also gets rid of bad breath in general, like if you eat a lot of garlic or if you're a smoker. So I can see why people would want to order this stuff.
If that is true, Gretchen, and it just takes away bad breath, I need to see if this would be good for my dog, Charlie. At our house, our dog, Charlie, has got the worst breath.
Yeah. The toothbrushing doesn't help?
Nothing worse than Golden Retriever morning breath. Correct, Allison Camerata?
Don't I